A lot of people are putting effort into creating content for YouTube, but they're not seeing the results they want because their audience finds the content boring. The backbone of every successful video is a strong script. A well-written script makes all the difference, and creating one requires the skills of a script or copywriter. However, not everyone is skilled in writing, and hiring a professional script writer isn't an option for everyone. That's why I'm here to teach you how to write effective scripts using ChatGPT. With this tool, you can craft scripts that make your content engaging and appealing to your audience. The first step is to provide ChatGPT with the topic of your video. Then, ask it to generate a structure for the video. ChatGPT will outline the entire structure for you. Now comes the most critical part of the process, the hook. The hook is the heart of your script, and it's what grabs your audience's attention and compels them to keep watching. It's crucial to focus your energy on creating a strong hook. A powerful hook can make your viewers stop scrolling and give your video a chance. If your hook does its job, your video is much more likely to perform well. Once you've perfected your hook, move on to the next part of the structure. Make sure to generate and refine each point one step at a time. This method helps minimize mistakes and ensures that every part of your script is engaging and well crafted. After ChatGPT generates a point, read it carefully. If it's good to go, proceed to the next part and repeat this process until you've completed the entire script. Lastly, ask ChatGPT to use simple, easy-to-understand language so that your content can reach a broader audience. Following this process step by step will help you create a script that connects with your viewers and keeps them interested. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.